At Haggai Truck Center, our diesel techs rely on a few game-changing tools to keep Cummins ISX engines and heavy-duty trucks running strong. In this video, we're counting down the top 3 snap-on tools used in our shop and why they matter for diesel repair. Number 1. Snap-on TechAngle Electronic Torque Wrench. This digital torque wrench is an absolute must for precise engine and head bolt work. With real-time digital readouts and angle measurement, it ensures nothing's left to guesswork. Number 2. Snap-on CT 861 3/8 Drive Impact Wrench. For a small package, this tool packs serious punch. Our techs love it for tight spaces and quick work on engine brackets and mounts. Number 3. Snap-on CTR 761C 3/8 Cordless Ratchet. Compact, powerful, and reliable, this cordless ratchet is used daily for teardown and reassembly jobs where speed and access matter. Trusted tools for trusted repairs, only at Haggai Truck Center in Griffin, Georgia. Family-owned, faith-driven, diesel-focused. Big thanks to Ben Arnold for setting us up right with the snap-on gear. Every mechanic's got that one tool they reach for first. What's yours? Drop it in the comments.